back. I hope everyone is having an absolutely fantastic day. I am so happy you were here. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. We do all kinds of fun unboxings, live streams, giveaways, sneak peeks, and spoiler videos, all kinds of stuff here. So we always have a great time, so we would love to have you. And as always, please do give the video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. But as you can see, today I am really excited because this is one of my favorite subscriptions. I say that a lot, but I have like so many different categories of subscriptions that I think I just can say that. And this is Vellabox, as you can see from the title down below. This is the June 2019 Vellabox, and this is a candle subscription. I love this, you guys. Candles to your door every month. Yay! So you get to smell good things, and like I said, it comes to your door. So awesome. Now, a little bit about Vellabox. There are 3 different plans that they offer. They have their $10 plan where you receive a 4-ounce candle every month, and that is the Lucerna, and that has approximately 25 hours of burn time. Now, then they have an 8-ounce candle that is $20. That is the Ignis, and that will have approximately 50 hours of burn time. Now, this is their Vivere, and this is $30 a month, and this is where you receive both the 8-ounce and the 4-ounce. So again, it is $30 if I did not say that. And this obviously is going to have approximately a burn time of 75 hours. They do also send a free little surprise gift every month, which I think is great. The candles come in the most beautiful canvas drawstring bags. You guys, these, if you've not seen Vellabox before, these bags that they put these in, these canvas bags, are so gorgeous. Not to mention, the candles always smell amazing. They are soy candles, artisan made here in the United States, hand poured, soy, just all that great stuff. I'm just so excited. I'm probably stumbling over my words, but I am so ready to dive in here and see what we've got for June 2019. I do want to say again, thank you Vellabox for sending this to me to review. I do appreciate it greatly. I absolutely love this subscription, y'all. You just don't know. I go through candles and wax melts and things like that like crazy here. So I'm ready for some new candles. So let's just dive in. All right, so there is always a really cute card when you first open it here, and it will have a quote. First of all, I can tell that that already looks absolutely beautiful. It is a beachy scene, and it says, "Cause a little bit of summer. Because a little bit of summer is what the whole year is about." I'm like, hold on, what? Because a little bit of summer is what the whole year is about. John Mayer. So yes, summertime. And you guys, look at these bags, these palm leaves. Are they not gorgeous? That's what I'm telling you. Okay, so we will start, and I can already smell something, so I don't know which one it is, but something smells absolutely amazing. So this is the 4-ounce candle. Again, look at this bag, you guys. So beautiful, and the quality is so good. They do say Vellabox, and the design is different every month. It kind of goes with the theme. Oh, I can already smell this, and it smells great. So this is from Broken Top Candle Company, which they've worked with Vellabox before, and I have always loved their candles. Saguaro Cactus. I don't know if I said that correctly. Agave, aloe, and moss. Soy, cotton, natural oils. 4 ounces, 25 hour burn time. So that is what it looks like. It has a little cactus. Again, I don't know if I said that correctly. Let me get the card. There's always a card. Excuse me. So this right here is our card. And fragrance notes, the agave, the aloe, and moss. The desert is in bloom with clean agave, aloe, moss, and hints of jade. Make up this floral masterpiece. Ooh. That does smell really good. Like, it does have some floral, but I can almost smell like moss and like the earthy, I don't know, but combined it smells really good. Like, it just smells fresh. I'm like, guys, I wish you could smell. It just smells so good and fresh. I really like that. So this is the 4-ounce candle. So had you subscribed and done the Lucerna, I have to double check the name sometimes, which is their $10 subscription, 4-ounce candle like this is what you would get for $10. Now, I do have a code also I will put down below with a link that will get you $5 off. So that's pretty awesome. So if you wanted to give them a try and do the $10 subscription, probably use my code. I'm pretty sure it would work on the $10 subscription. Give it a try. So, link and code will be below. Alright, so that is our 4-ounce candle. Let's take a look at our 8-ounce candle. Again, the bag matches. Is it, like I said, it's just so beautiful. Alright, and this is also from Broken Top Candle Company. So it's kind of, they usually are the same company, obviously. Sea Salt Surf. 9-ounce, 50-hour burn time, natural oils, soy candle, wood, cream, and jasmine. Oh, and the palm leaves. Look, you guys. Oh my gosh. Fragrance notes, jasmine, wood, and cream. The sweet smell of jasmine and driftwood are muted by rich cream and hints of fruit, beach vibes, and suntan lines. So, I love that. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Y'all, that smells so good. I feel like I've smelled this before. I just cannot place it. Oh my gosh. I seriously, this one, you guys, I'm like, please smell it. Oh my gosh, that smells so amazing. Y'all, what is that? I have smelled this before, I swear. That's getting lit ASAP. I think they both smell fantastic, but the Sea Salt Surf is probably my favorite. So just a little bit more about Broken Top Candle Company. They are out of Bend, Oregon. Obviously, they have a website, brokentopcandleco.com. You can use code SUMMERLOVE for 50% off everything and free shipping on $65 or more. That is good through June 15th. So they are known for curating sustainable and conscious products using renewable and recyclable materials, influenced by high design, offering candles, lotions, and perfumes that are organic based, gluten-free, paraben-free, and vegan. Try them on for scent. I was like, what? So, and like I said, that's not the first time I've gotten candles from Broken Top Candle Co. And they always are amazing. So now for our little bonus goodie, it looks like we got something from Goddess Garden Organics, and this is an SPF 30 natural sunscreen. It is dermatologist tested, powerful protection with no chemical sunscreens. That's awesome. Shake before use. This is cruelty-free, reef-safe, which is very important, non-nano, biodegradable, non-GMO. I like seeing that it's reef safe because I have been hearing that a lot of sunscreens really are not safe for our ocean. So I'm glad to see that. So let's read about this. This is out of Boulder, Colorado, Goddess Garden. Goddess Garden makes it easier to live in the moment and enjoy the sun with mineral sunscreens that are safe for sensitive skin and the environment. look for their new Ultra Sheer formulas in SPF 50. Now this is SPF 30. It is a facial sunscreen, and I'm really glad to have this. Let's see. There is a safety seal, so I'm just going to leave that on there for now because I do have a facial sunscreen open. I will toss this in my beach bag, but I'm sure that not having chemicals, it's not going to have that sunscreen smell that you're used to. So we got this really awesome, like I said, Goddess Gardens Organic Natural Sunscreen, which I am super excited about. And then we had our 4-ounce candle from Broken Top Candle Co., which smelled absolutely amazing. And then a 9-ounce candle, also Broken Top Candle Co., and this was the Sea Salt Surf. Y'all, woo, this smells so amazing, and it smells like summertime to me. Like the beach and just, what they say, beach vibes and tan lines in a jar right here. Amazing. So again, that is the Vellabox for June 2019. Let me know your thoughts down below. Again, I hope you have a fantastic day. And don't forget, we have that 3,000 subscriber giveaway coming up. So be on the lookout for that. I'm just waiting on that last palette. So it's coming soon. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one.